California's drought is getting worse. Let's all do our part to find new ways to save water and help our community. There's enough water to use, but not a drop to waste. Today's tip to conserve in Contra Costa is to be efficient with irrigation. Did you know that half of the water we use at home is used outdoors? In the summer, that's an average of 180 gallons per day. And much of that water is lost to evaporation, wind, or runoff. So set your irrigation to run multiple short cycles to get the most out of every drop. Mature trees benefit our community and are expensive to replace. Water these trees deeply, but not too often. Doing that will encourage deep root growth. Our recommended watering schedule for this drought is on our website. During this drought, let's conserve in Contra Costa.